Hey everyone, Roger here. Remember when foldable phones seemed like a distant dream? Well, guess what? The future is here, and it unfolds right before our eyes. 2024 is shaping up to be the year of the foldable. These devices are poised to take the smartphone world by storm. Let's dive into the exciting world of foldable phones and see what all the hype is about. Simply put, foldable phones are smartphones that can bend. This means they can transform from a regular-sized phone into a mini tablet. Imagine having a pocket-sized device that unfolds to reveal a larger screen for immersive gaming, multitasking, or enjoying your favorite content. This flexibility in size and function is what makes foldable phones so groundbreaking. Now, before you rush out to grab the latest foldable, let's address the elephant in the room. There are challenges. Durability is a big one. The idea of a screen that can bend and flex is revolutionary, but it also brings up a lot of questions. How long can these screens last? Can they endure the daily wear and tear of being folded and unfolded multiple times a day? Manufacturers are working hard to improve the durability, but it's still a concern for many potential buyers. Can a screen that bends hundreds of times a day really stand the test of time? Then there's the price. Foldable phones are a significant investment. Foldables are still expensive, often costing significantly more than traditional flagship phones. This high price point can be a major barrier for many consumers. It's not just about the initial cost, but also the potential cost of repairs if something goes wrong. And let's not forget about user adoption. While some tech enthusiasts are eager to embrace the new form factor, others are more cautious. Some people are hesitant to switch from their familiar candy bar-style phones. They worry about the learning curve and whether the new features will truly enhance their daily lives. It's a big change, and not everyone is ready to make the leap. So, while foldable phones are exciting and innovative, there are still several hurdles to overcome before they become mainstream. Despite these challenges, the foldable phone market is booming. This year we've seen some incredible devices from major players like Samsung, Google, and Oppo. Each brings its A-game, with top-of-the-line specs, innovative features, and that all-important wow factor. But how do they stack up against each other? And more importantly, how do they compare to traditional smartphones? Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6, the powerhouse. Samsung, the pioneer of foldable phones, continues to impress with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This latest iteration in their foldable lineup showcases Samsung's commitment to innovation and excellence. The Z Fold 6 is not just a phone, it's a statement of technological prowess and design sophistication. This beast of a phone boasts a stunningly large and vibrant inner display, perfect for productivity and entertainment. The expansive screen real estate allows users to seamlessly switch between multiple apps, making it an ideal device for multitaskers. Whether you're editing documents, watching videos, or playing games, the display delivers an immersive experience like no other. It's powered by the latest and greatest processor, making multitasking a breeze. The advanced chipset ensures that the phone runs smoothly, even when handling the most demanding tasks. With lightning-fast performance and efficient power management, the Z Fold 6 is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. The cameras are top-notch, as we've come to expect from Samsung. Equipped with a versatile camera system, the Z Fold 6 captures stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. From ultra-wide shots to detailed close-ups, the camera delivers exceptional quality, making it a perfect companion for photography enthusiasts. For those looking for a premium foldable experience, the Z Fold 6 is a serious contender. Its sleek design, combined with high-end features, offers a luxurious feel that sets it apart from other smartphones. The foldable form factor not only adds a unique touch but also enhances functionality, providing users with a versatile device that adapts to their needs. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional on the go, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is designed to elevate your mobile experience to new heights. And the winner is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. With its unmatched performance, stunning display, and versatile design, it's no wonder this powerhouse takes the crown. Don't miss out on the future of smartphones. Get your hands on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 today and experience the best in foldable technology. Google's Pixel Fold 3, the software champ. Google's Pixel Fold 3 is all about software. It's designed to provide a seamless and intuitive experience for users who demand the best from their devices. It might not have the largest screen or the flashiest specs, but it offers a unique blend of functionality and innovation that sets it apart from the competition. What it lacks in hardware, it makes up for in software ingenuity. The Pixel Fold 3 is packed with features that enhance productivity and entertainment. Google's seamless integration of Android with the foldable form factor is a joy to use. The split-screen functionality allows users to multitask effortlessly, making it perfect for both work and play. The Pixel Fold 3 also excels in camera performance, capturing stunning photos with ease. Google's computational photography prowess ensures that every shot is picture-perfect, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera app is user-friendly and packed with features, allowing users to get creative with their photography. From portrait mode to night sight, the Pixel Fold 3 has it all. For those who prioritize a smooth and intuitive user experience, the Pixel Fold 3 is a winner. The device handles multiple tasks with ease, ensuring that users can switch between apps without any lag. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games, the Pixel Fold 3 delivers a top-notch experience. Its software is optimized to make the most of the foldable design, providing a unique and enjoyable user experience. The hinge mechanism is robust and smooth, allowing for easy folding and unfolding. This durability ensures that the device can withstand daily use without any issues. Customization is another strong point of the Pixel Fold 3. Users can personalize their home screen with widgets and app icons, making the device truly their own. Video calls are a breeze with the Pixel Fold 3. The large screen and high-quality camera make for clear and crisp video calls, whether for work or catching up with loved ones. The display is vibrant and sharp, making it perfect for watching movies and videos. The foldable design adds an extra layer of immersion, providing a cinema-like experience on the go. Battery life is another area where the Pixel Fold 3 shines. It offers long-lasting performance, ensuring that users can go through their day without worrying about running out of power. Google Assistant is seamlessly integrated into the Pixel Fold 3, providing hands-free assistance whenever needed. From setting reminders to controlling smart home devices, the Assistant is always ready to help. Gaming on the Pixel Fold 3 is a delight. The device handles even the most demanding games with ease, providing smooth and responsive gameplay. For readers, the Pixel Fold 3 offers a comfortable and immersive reading experience. The large screen and adjustable brightness make it easy to read for extended periods. In tablet mode, the Pixel Fold 3 is perfect for browsing the internet. The large screen provides ample space for viewing web pages, making it easy to navigate and read content. The Pixel Fold 3 also supports stylus input, making it ideal for taking notes and drawing. This feature adds another layer of versatility to the device, catering to creative professionals and students alike. Music lovers will appreciate the high-quality audio experience on the Pixel Fold 3. The device delivers clear and rich sound, making it perfect for listening to music and podcasts. Navigation is a breeze with the Pixel Fold 3. The device provides clear and accurate maps, ensuring that users can find their way with ease. Security is top-notch on the Pixel Fold 3. The device offers multiple security features, including fingerprint and face recognition, to keep user data safe and secure. Augmented reality apps come to life on the Pixel Fold 3. The device provides an immersive AR experience, making it perfect for gaming and educational apps. For productivity, the Pixel Fold 3 is a powerhouse. The device handles documents and spreadsheets with ease, making it perfect for professionals on the go. Group video calls are smooth and clear on the Pixel Fold 3. The device's high-quality camera and large screen make it easy to connect with multiple participants. The Google Play Store is easily accessible on the Pixel Fold 3, allowing users to download a wide range of apps and games. The device's powerful hardware ensures that these apps run smoothly. Online shopping is a breeze with the Pixel Fold 3. The large screen and responsive interface make it easy to browse products and make purchases. Customizing settings is straightforward on the Pixel Fold 3. Users can easily adjust preferences and features to suit their needs, making the device truly their own. Virtual reality content is immersive on the Pixel Fold 3. The device provides a high-quality VR experience, making it perfect for gaming and entertainment. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the health and activity tracking features on the Pixel Fold 3. The device helps users monitor their fitness goals and stay on track. Overall, the Pixel Fold 3 offers a seamless and intuitive experience. Its combination of innovative software and versatile hardware makes it a standout device in the market. For those who prioritize a smooth and intuitive user experience, the Pixel Fold 3 is a winner. What feature excites you the most about foldable phones? Let us know in the comments below. Oppo's Find N3, pushing the boundaries. Oppo is a relative newcomer to the foldable game, but they're already making waves with the Find N3. This phone pushes the boundaries of design with its unique hinge mechanism, allowing for a nearly invisible crease when unfolded. The Find N3 also boasts impressive battery life and super-fast charging, addressing two major pain points of foldable phones. Oppo is definitely one to watch in the foldable space. And the award goes to the foldable phone that stole the show. This year, one foldable phone stands above the rest, redefining what's possible in the world of mobile technology. It's not just an incremental upgrade, it's a true game changer. Stay tuned to find out which phone claims the top spot in the foldable phone arena. The future is foldable. Why you should be excited. Foldable phones are more than just a novelty. They represent the future of smartphones. We're talking about devices that adapt to our needs, offering the best of both worlds, portability and functionality. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative foldable designs, improved durability, and hopefully, more affordable prices. Do you think foldable phones are the future of smartphones? Let us know in the comments. Join the foldable conversation. So, what do you think about the foldable revolution? Are you ready to make the switch? Head over to the comments section and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to check out my in-depth reviews of all the latest foldable phones on my YouTube channel. Until next time, keep teching it up. Leave your comment below.